Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. So I love a good life hack, especially when it's pertaining to EDC, and even more so when it's cheap or free. And this is one that I've been using daily for a couple years now, and I thought it was about time that I showed it off to all of you folks. Now, I do need to mention that this is not an original idea. This is one that I found on YouTube. So when you get done with this video, and make sure you stick around to the very end of the video, I would greatly appreciate it. But when you do get done with this video, make sure you go check out some of their videos and give them some credit and some love as well. But the hack that I'm referring to, I carry around a notebook with me all the time, and it's a nice notebook. I like to keep it nice and neat, and I don't want to muck it up with stupid little lists like my grocery list or my to-do list for the day. So this is for more important things, things that I wanted to keep memories of a little longer term. And this is my short-term notebook, and I call this a notebook because I've turned it into a notebook. This is a single piece of paper, 8-page notebook, and that's the beauty of it. It's 8 pages out of one piece of paper. And I have redacted some things in here like they are the Epstein files. My 8-page notebook, and that's what we're going to take a look at and learn how to do. And the nice thing is, when you get done with those 8 pages, you can turn it inside out and you have 8 more pages. So we're going to start off with a single piece of copy paper, and we're going to fold it once like that. This is the free part because I think most everyone has a piece of copy paper laying around, and then we're going to fold it again like that. So fold it once and fold it twice, and we end up with 4 parts or 3 partitions. And then we're going to take it and we're going to fold it the long way. And there you see you have your 8 pages of your notebook, and we're going to fold it this way one time, and we're going to break out the Nextool Mini Sailor S0, and these are awesome little scissors. I gotta say, they cut through just about anything. They do like to hang up a little bit, but they cut through just about anything. And we're gonna cut that center line. Try to be neat about it. It would be nice if we had a larger set of scissors, but so we get to that point where we hit that first line, and we're going to stop, and we go back to this point where we fold it the long way, and this is what it should look like. And we're going to grab it like this, and now you see where we're headed with this. We have those pages or those partitions. Not always perfect, but there we go. We have our 8-page notebook, and I'll prove it. Let's see, we got 1. And then we're back to 1. Our 8-page single piece of paper notebook. And again, if you fill this up and you want to reuse it, and this always tricks me up, and I'm able to do it. I just need to, you have to learn how to do it on camera. So there are our original 8 pages, and we're going to take this. And you remember that right there. And we're going to start with 9. For a while there, I wasn't even carrying a notebook. I was just carrying one of these, and this is great. You can just shove this in your back pocket and go. Or if you have a large enough wallet, you can shove it in your wallet as well. But I think this is such a cool idea. And we open up, and you can see all your different pages. Let me show you that one more time in case I went too fast or you blinked. I do need to make a new one, so I just wrote numbers all over the other one. Fold it once, and we fold it twice, and go back to kindergarten because you can't fold a piece of paper nicely and neatly. And we have 4 sections and 3 perforations, and we're going to fold it again just like this. So as we're folding, I mentioned, if you want to help support this channel, the best thing you could do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. So there we go. We have our 8-page notebook. Brand new. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it out. So I want to thank you for stopping and checking out this video. I know a lot of you might be getting snowed in this Sunday afternoon, and this is a fun little craft you can do, a quick little craft to pass the time. You can make a bunch of notebooks and stockpile them. So I want to thank you again for stopping and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you are having an amazing day, and make sure you all stay safe and don't hurt yourself shoveling. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.